everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gazmine, and today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my third trunk club box. But before I get into that, please follow me on all my social medias. Also, don't forget to click on that bell button so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. So let's get into this video. So it's round number 3, you know. First round, she did really good, kept a lot of the items, very pricey box. Second round, she did also, my stylist did very good, you know. Wasn't as pricey as my first one, did a good job. So my third one, she picked a lot of good items. So she picked out 11 items for me, and I disapproved 3 items, so I received 8. And I also clicked the little button so she can add on more stuff for me that I might like, you know. But unfortunately, she still didn't do it. I don't know why, you know. I'm gonna leave that on my little note. Because I liked the first time she did it, because I got my Adidas sweats. Okay, so let's start off with shoes. So the first items that I got are some shoes, and they're from Topshop. I realized that I have been getting a lot of Topshop items lately because I've been really liking the pieces from Topshop that I've been receiving so far. So I like these red heels compared to the red heels that I got last month, just because one, they don't have that middle strap, because it was kind of awkward, and it has like a little bit of padding in it, which is nice, because I be wearing heels all the time and my feet be hurting so bad. So I am definitely keeping these. So the next pair of shoes that I got are from Adidas. Look at these. Like, these are so clean. So I don't really wear a lot of sneakers. Like, I thought about getting some shoes like this, but I didn't think that they would look good on me. So yes, I'm keeping these. These are so cute. So the next item that I received is a tie front crop top, and this is what it looks like. I was very unsure about this top because I liked the print and how it looked on the model, but when I tried it on, it kind of didn't really complement my body. Yeah, we are sending that back. So next item that I got are some shorts, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, oh, and this is from Topshop too. Oh, I did not know that. Okay, so I like these shorts a lot. Only thing is that since it's cut at an angle, it looks nice in the front, but in the back, my butt hangs out. I don't want to always have to wear like shorts under these, even though I wouldn't mind wearing shorts under these, but I wouldn't want to. Sending this back. So next item is also from Topshop, and it's a basic white tube top. Of course I kept it because I need more tube tops because I only have one. So I kept this. The next shirt is also from Topshop, and it's a halter crop top, and this is what it looks like. And I also need more halter tops because I just need as much summer clothes as I can get, because I can tell that summer is going to be extremely hot this year. So of course I kept this, plus it was $10 too. Okay, so the next item that I received are some shorts, and they're also from Topshop. Oh, okay. Well, this box is just going to be mainly Topshop then. I was really unsure. Like, I know I said that about a couple of the items already that I was unsure when I looked to approve my items, but I was really unsure about these because I didn't really like how they looked on the model. But you know, I wanted to try it out because I know the mom shorts and the mom jeans are in right now, and I wanted to see how they looked on me, you know. And I was really not confident in this fitting me, but it does. It fits me really nicely. It's just that it's a little bit too big around this area right here. I am not keeping these, although I liked the whole faded denim look. I'm not keeping these. So the next item that I received is from Spandex. Okay, pleather leggings, because even though the price is very high. Oh yeah, it says full leather leggings. I think that my stylist set me up when she put this in my box, because spandex is already tight, and the fact that she put an extra small in my box, just she basically set me up. So when first of all, these look like a regular pair of like leggings that I would normally buy. Like I didn't know what to expect until I tried to put my right leg in first, and it was such a struggle. It felt like my body was about to get cut off. Like, oh my gosh. Like, I wouldn't mind if she sent me like a medium, not like an extra small or even a small. Woo, man, this was so hard to get into, and it was even harder to get out of this. Like, taking this off like was a workout, which I needed. I do like the design on these leggings. Like, I kind of like this design. Other than that, yeah, I'm not keeping these. So yeah, overall, I really like the items that I received. I have a feeling that I'm going to get a lot of Topshop items in my future boxes, which I honestly do not mind. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.